Hello everybody and welcome back to another RC A380 video. So I will be doing a full in-depth review of the ihobby RC A380. This thing came from AliExpress, so pretty cheap, $38, but it flies amazing. So way better price deal and everything than the one on Amazon. So yeah, I'll show you the clips and then we'll do a full in-depth review after. Alright, enjoy. Oh yeah, lovely flyer. Beautiful. Shoot. Stick. Okay, I turn on gyro. Over the throttle. Try to keep it away from those trees and everything. A bit more. Nice slow pass. And then dip around this way. Another nice slow pass. Okay, what's the timer at? 1.5 minutes almost. Oh! That was beautiful. I need people to pass by, then we're flexing on them.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
This is like scary. Oh shoot. Okay, now we're good. Whoa. Yeah, and then I'll just fly it down the other way. What's the timer looking at? Okay, I'm gonna bring it in another 30 seconds-ish. Back again. I'll just fly it around. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in. I'm just gonna loop it around. Okay, yeah, we're a bit over the timer. So I hope you guys enjoyed those flying clips. It was a bit hard to record since I was going a bit fast and a bit all over the place, but and sorry about my unsteady hands, but flies good. It struggles a bit after if you lower the throttle while you're flying below 50%. So what I do is 100% throttle during takeoff. And then once it starts to get really fast, pick up speed, I slow down to 50, bit over 50, and yeah, the elevator. So you're gonna want to click the right, what do you call it? Right trigger on the controller, and it will turn on gyro, which steadies out the plane. So it doesn't want to crash, and yeah, it just levels it out. So actually, no, I was gonna say some people are asking, but nobody's asking. So it comes in a blue, it says A380 Civil Aircraft. I put it in Emirates livery myself. So what I did was I used white paper, covered up, as you can see, white paper. I covered up all the stuff that was blue and ugly and stuff because it was knockoff A380 house livery. And I just put stickers over top. I printed it out, and they do get a bit. Sorry, the mic goes away. A bit wet and stuff, if over time, but it does look fantastic. I did on the winglets, that winglet. And some stickers might fall off while you're flying, but you need to glue it on extra good. And then sorry, I'm holding the mic. I should have used my shirt clip. Here, I'll just show. One second. There we go. That would have been a lot easier. So I put the Emirates sticker bottom. I just taped that on because you need to be able to get the power on. Everything. I think one of the engine stickers fell off mid-flight, but anyways, back to the review. So, flies really great beginner aircraft. And I just feel like as long as you're careful, like I'll admit, on my first flight, I landed on top of a school roof. But, we got a ladder, got it down, it's safe. But we're not Ice 711 if you've seen him flying his. But, uh, yeah, if you're a beginner, like, don't start off with those 200, 400, 1,000, $2,000 jets. Start with these. They're perfect. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with them. Just buy them from a good brand. You need to do a bit of research buying them because you don't want bad ones because you can still get bad ones with these. Um, yeah, and it uses full elevator and everything. It's great. But make sure that you start off with these. I don't know if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Um, and yeah, but I am proud to say that we are on the road to 100 subscribers. We just hit 80. We just hit 80 this morning. So yeah, we're on the way to 100 subs. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you. Well, I'll see you all in the next one. Comment down below, like the video, please. If you want more RC views of this aircraft, maybe I'll buy a new one. Well, not yet though, because this thing's amazing. Yeah, and please subscribe to get us to 100 subs. All right, see ya.